Hello and good morning everyone. It's morning here in Dubai. We are currently in Dubai and it's very hot. It's summer. 50 degrees in the morning and 42 degrees at night. Even if you're in the water, it's really hot. Anyway, I'm so excited to share with you this granny square. This is a very easy granny square as usual. What we are trying to teach here are very easy pattern. So let's start. To begin with, this is a double crochet, a bubble double crochet. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, let's start with magic ring. Okay, this is our magic ring. Let's chain 2. 1, 2. This chain 2 will be counted as your first double crochet bubble. So to do the double crochet bubble, so you have chain 2 and then yarn over and then get the 2 loops out and leave it here. So you have 1, 2, we need 3. Okay, and then pull out the 2 loops and then you have 3 here and then pull it through. So this will be your one cluster of double bubble. Okay, and then chain 2, 1, 2. We need 8 of this. Again, yarn over, pull it through 2, and then yarn over, pull it through 2 loops again, and then 1 more, yarn over, and then pull it through the 2 loops. So you have 4 here. In the beginning we only have how many? 3 because we started with chain. Okay, so we have 1, 2 clusters already. 1 more I will show you. Chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops here, 1 more, and pull it through 2 loops, then 1 more because we need 3. Okay, then pull it through and then chain 2. So we need 8 of this. Okay, now that we have 8, let's just pull our magic ring and then let's connect here. Okay, going to round 2. We need to slip stitch here, slip stitch on the next double crochet, slip stitch. Why? Because we want to go to here on this chain space. Okay, another slip stitch. So now we are here. Okay, and then chain 2, 1, 2 will be counted as your first double crochet bubble. So again, like what we begin here, yarn over and then pull it through 2, then yarn over, pull it through 2, and then so you have 1 cluster again here, and then chain 2, and then we'll do the same cluster in the same chain space. Pull it through, leave it there, yarn over, pull it through, leave it there because we need 3. Okay, so remember that this will be your corner. So this is your first corner. chain 2, and then 3 double crochet here in the next chain space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and then chain 2 again, and then next space we'll make our second corner. So we need cluster here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Pull it through. Okay, chain 2, 1, 2. Since this is a corner, we'll work on the same chain space. Another cluster. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have the first corner, the second corner. We're going to the third corner now. Chain 2. Then let's make the cluster again. 1, 2. This is double bubble. We need 3 double crochet bubble. Okay, chain 2. Again, same stitch, same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. So we have our third corner. Chain 2, 3 double crochet here in the space, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 2. This is our fourth corner. 1, 2, chain 2. Just fix my yarn. Chain 2, and then another one, because we are in the corner. We are in the corner, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the fourth corner. Chain 2, 3 double crochet here, 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 2. Okay, so we have round 1, round 2, and then we're going to round 3. It's just the same. Just remember that when you're working on the corner, you need the clusters. Okay, let's slip stitch again here, because we want to go here in the space, but we cannot go directly. It's not looking good. So chain, slip stitch, and then we go to the space, then another chain 2, then this is the corner all the time. This is the corner all the time. Okay, so let's do the cluster again. Okay, it's just repeat and repeat what we are doing. 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Yeah, now you will see how we will increase. Chain 2 here, and then we need 2 double crochet here in the chain space. 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3 double crochet on top of this 3 double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and then another 2 double crochet here. 1, 2. If you can see, we increase. This is the corner and this is your side. Okay, from 3 to here. And then chain 2. And then this is our corner again. So cluster. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 2, cluster again. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in this space. We are on the side again. 1 and 2, and then 3 double crochet. Okay, go here. 1, 2, and then 3, then 2 again here before the corner. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and then cluster again here. Okay, you see, we just remember where is your corner where you will do your cluster. Okay, I will show you one more round. Okay, one more round so you fully understand how to make this farmhouse granny square. Again, slip stitch to the next chain so we can go to the chain space here. Okay, go there. Let's just, okay, chain 2, 1, 2, then cluster again. Okay, chain 2. We started in the corner. Okay, this is the corner, you can see, and then cluster again. 1, 2, and 3 double crochet bubble, and then chain 2 again. And then you see, we will increase here in the side. So we have chain 2 and then 2 double crochet here in the next space. We're working on the side 1 where the increase is happening. 2, and then double crochet in all of this. You start here. That's 1, 2, just put double crochet on top of all this. Double crochet. Then 2 double crochet here. 1, 2, chain 2, and then we reach the corner again, chain 2, and then the cluster. It's easy, right? 2, 3, okay, chain 2, 1, sorry, we need cluster. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 2, going to the other side. Double crochet. 1, in this space we need 2, 2, and then just continue here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then 2 double crochet here. 1 and 2 double crochet, chain 2. Yeah, now we are in the corner. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, another cluster. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, so we're done. So it's up to you if you want to increase more. Just continue increasing as much as you want, whatever size you want. Okay. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next tutorial. Thank you so much. Have a great day.